Hello! Thanks for taking the time to consider Becker Roofing and Exteriors for your roofing and other exterior home repair needs. Becker Roofing and Exteriors is a residential and commercial general contractor. As such, we are fully qualified to take care of all your roofing needs, whether you need a roof for new construction, re-roofing, or just repairing hail or other damage. Additionally, should you need other exterior repairs, we can help. Additional services we provide include gutters, windows, siding, painting, fencing, electrical, and more. Our owner has been serving the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex for 9 years. Recently, we have added subcontractors to serve San Antonio, Houston, and Austin, Texas. Our experience in this industry enables us to assist you in filing your insurance claim to ensure you get the most your insurance company allows for your claim. So, when you need a new roof and other exterior work, call Becker Roofing and Exteriors first. You'll be glad you did.